Laing pasidungog ang naangkon sa GMA Regional TV sa Gandingan 2020 sa UPLB Iskot Iskay Multimedia Awards karon nga bag-o lang. Si Chelo Vallena sa report.
Napili nga most development-oriented news story sa GMA Regional TV 1 Mindanao, nagtuki sa rehabilitation of Naboc River sa Compostela Valley Province tungod sa grabing polusyon mugna sa hugaw sa mga minahan. Sila si GMA Regional TV correspondent John D. Esteban o GMA Regional TV video journalist Melchor Awing ang mituki sa suliran sa polusyon tungod sa minahan.
Ang inyong GMA Regional TV ay nagpapasalamat sa tuloy niyong pagkilala at pagsuporta sa mga kwentong mahalaga at makabuluhan, lalo na sa ating mga lokal na komunidad. Program and initiatives that are more attuned to stories and voices outside Metro Manila, as we believe that local news matters. We are one with you in making our local communities become more sustainable. Small steps such as awareness through news features on a regional newscast make a positive difference in protecting our environment for our families, our communities, our nation, and our planet. On behalf of your GMA Regional TV, especially the team behind the feature story on the rehabilitation of Naboc River in Compostela Valley, now known as Davao de Oro Province, Correspondent John D. Esteban, video journalist Melchor Awing, and the entire One Mindanao team, nagpapasalamat po kami sa Gandingan 2020, the 14th UPLB Iskot Iskas Multimedia Awards sa parangal na ito.
Napili usab nga most development-oriented TV plug ang The Kapuso Campus Tour, the Regional Masterclass Series. Gipahibaw sa Vice President and Head sa GMA Regional TV, Oliver Victor Amoroso, nga ang GMA Regional TV stations mihimo og TV plugs nga nagpakita sa Regional Masterclass Series alang sa 7 ka nagunang mga dakbayan sa tibok nasod. Usa-usab kini ka major component sa election advocacy sa Kapuso Network nga pusuan ang totoo. Usa ka panawagan sa pagbotar sa kamatuoran, pakigbatok sa korupsyon ug sayop nga pagbalita nga mahatod sa pagpili sa mga leader sa nasod nga takos mga lagad. Mapasalamaton si Amoroso sa natampo sa GMA Regional TV team sa North Central Luzon, South Luzon, Central ug Eastern Visayas, Western Visayas ug North Central ug Southern Mindanao sa pasidungog nga naangkon karon.
Thank you for recognizing GMA Regional TV's efforts in the production of our Kapuso Campus Tour, the Regional Masterclass Series Plug. The Regional Masterclass Series is a proud initiative of GMA Network's Regional TV in synergy with GMA News and Public Affairs, GMA Corporate Communications, and 7 of the country's top universities. Despite the current situation in our country and the world, I think our hopes are the same. We are all hungry to learn and find inspiration from people who we can look up to. We all want to be well informed by people who we trust on issues affecting us, our communities, and our country. We have tapped into our trusted and credible pool of network talents to present an expert panel of speakers from whom we can all learn from through the Regional Masterclass series. In 2019, GMA Regional TV started a nationwide conversation to discuss relevant issues that matter to students in these digital times, reaching out to the young sector and help hone them into becoming responsible and conscientious Filipinos. We are very happy and honored to bring the Regional Masterclass series in Dumaguete, Davao, Cebu, Iloilo, Pangasinan, Cagayan de Oro, and Bukidnon. Mula sa GMA Regional TV, maraming salamat sa pagkilala mga kapuso.
Chelo Vallena, Balitang Bisdak.